Under the full moon, I am dancing in community. Uplifted inspiration made tangible through nurturing seeds of holy desire. Elemental spirits rejoicing, earth, wind, water, and fire. The echoes of hearts rising through Mother Earth, celebration in full force. Dragons, the guardians of Gaia, no longer asleep underneath the ley lines, awakened by the force of pure love, multiplied. Open vulnerability, sharing our souls, manifesting our consciousness in this new earth. Infinite potential grounded and rooted in noticeable, sacred, and trusted reciprocity. Joyous full moon restores harmony, understanding, and compassionate neutrality. Electric energy funnels through our intelligent vessels. Amiable and amusing mindfulness partnerships bloom, delighting our collective awareness and personal autonomy. Our needs are met with curiosity and kindness. Interconnectedness imbues the natural propensity for generosity. In circle, we notice the collective omnipresence of Goddess, matured, healthy, and materialized within our unified selves, noble inheritance restored thanks to the saved seeds of our collective youthful purity. To my nameless grandmother, I say thank you. Thanksgiving blessings anoint you, our great beloved grandmother oracle. Maternal homage bestowed upon your flowering earth. Your yesterday's fertilizer is respected and honored as the mighty provider of the nitrogen-rich soil we grow upon and within. We appreciate your medicine. Eternity lays at our feet because of you. We encircle your shrine of the most holiest of surprises to delight our eyes. Grandmother, we celebrate in rapturous joy, all praise to you. Nature thrives by day and moonlight. Oracle of trustworthy heritage, everything we are and have is sourced and rooted in you. May blessings continuously shower down upon you, activating your pure potential for togetherness. As we fully accept our home, we too anchor into the divine plan nature gifted each of us. We are kindred spirits. Our hearts beat in tandem to your drum. Our Divine Mother, it is you we uplift by accepting our sanctified birthright. To the sun and for the world, I say restored health now. The sun's heat is cooled by the waters of the sky and land. Outside reflects the landscape inside, our precious hearts and eternal spirit. The earthling species have purified themselves and each other to health and wholeness. Shadows are no longer scapegoats to disease. Under the sky we dance, praise, create, and sing. No longer afraid because of shame, all of life is sacred once again. No living entity left in disgrace, for all souls are respected and restored to their natural state of divine origin, which is expansive, creative, harmonizing, and uplifting love. Reverence is the channel we commune through in our resonant, energetic, coherent fields. To live in this world is to be home, safe and loved. Earth, a gift we cherish, honor, and love. We are all Earth's children. Our gardens flourish outside and inward. Reciprocity co-creates in our global community with all life forms. Unifying diversity, no longer duality, but rather encompassing and encircling wholeness, completeness. Intimacy is shared. allowing our thriving nature to flourish and prosper. Yesteryear's destruction and separation has been recapitulated, recycled, returned, restored, and reborn into ecstasy of soulful union, now growing in the healthy soil of Gaia and her offspring. Out of demise, nutrient-rich compost resurrects us as a sacred earth, the womb of our birth and heart of our departure. Soul carried back into the soil of earth. She who heals and holds everyone, all of life, an interconnected relational species, transferring data and energy through coherent waves of harmony, nurturing our beloved home. We welcome our shared collective health and union now.